Hi friends, welcome back to our new episode of Private MNC Jobs for Mechanical Engineers 28th May 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities for early career professionals. Early career professionals means freshers and 1 to 2 year experience holders. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in 5 different MNCs. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video fully. In this first, Volvo Group. Lead engineer chases equipment at Volvo Group, Bangalore. The Volvo Group is a Swedish multinational manufacturing company. While its core activity is the production, distribution and sale of trucks, buses and construction equipment, Volvo also supplies marine and industrial drive system and financial service. In 2016, it was the world's second largest manufacturer of heavy duty trucks. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year experience. Requisition ID is 110717BR. Job description: as a lead engineer, you will demonstrate your engineering product knowledge, project expertise, cross-functional interactions, handling complexity, team collaboration, decision making and coordination skills in leading the chassis equipment goals and objectives. Role description: lead mechanical design engineering activities in chassis equipment area involving high technical complexity. You will have to decide on technical solutions within the limitations of cross-functional technology and platform strategies, also meeting set product QDCF targets. Utilize theoretical knowledge in kinematics, vibrations and durability to develop chassis systems with an emphasis on structural design. Lead and support resolution of technical product quality issues. Establish a strong network with global counterparts and cross-functionals, etc. Education and experience, knowledge and skills. Experience in product development, knowledge and expertise in chassis component development, routing and packaging. Have capacity to work individually as well as with a small team to secure the deliverables with the right quality, spread knowledge and develop competence within the team. Role is lead engineer chassis equipment. Industry type is R&D. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed advertisement and can apply online through their website as shown on screen on or before 31st May 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. And if you need to know more about this opportunity, you can watch our new channel Engineering Jobs for You. I will provide that video link in my description also. Next is Saint Bengaluru. Mechanical engineer at Saint Bengaluru. Saint, formerly Infotech Enterprise Limited, is an Indian multinational technology company that focuses on engineering, manufacturing, data analytics and networks and operations. We engage with customers across their value chain, helping to design, build, operate and maintain the products and services that make them leaders and respected brands in their industries and markets. We leverage the experience of 12,000 associates in 14 countries, combine global deliverable with local relationships, invest in the power of ideas and exploit digital innovations. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year experience. Job ID is JR023566. Role is with support, performs the design, layout, testing and evaluation of mechanical and electromechanical devices or systems. Perform product development activities including drawing, board layout and interpretation and implementation of customer specifications and documentation requirement. Provide existing product line support in design activities and modification of hardware in production. Conduct engineering studies and may assign work to technical drafting staff. At this level, assignments are moderately complex and require use of initiative. Qualification and experience: bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, 0 to 1 year related work. Skills and experience is in CATIA design, CATIA V5, Innovia, etc. You will need to exposure in product development environment of a vehicle equipment rolling stock industry, compute and represent mass CG of vehicle, etc. Read and apply technical specifications for product or subsystem, good knowledge of drawing rules and GD&T using relevant standards, ASME, DIN, EN, ISO, etc. Integrate manufacturer requirements in the design dimensional stack-up. Role is mechanical engineer, function areas EPC, employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Black and Veitch. Mechanical engineer water permanent at Black and Veitch, Mumbai. Black and Veitch is the largest engineering firm in Kansas City, USA. Black and Veitch is an employee-owned engineering, procurement, consulting and construction company with a 100-year legacy of innovations in suitability infrastructure. It is a global engineering, procurement, construction (EPC) and consulting company specializing in infrastructure development in power, oil and gas and water. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year experience. Requisition ID is 40302. Job summary. Functions in an engineering capacity under close supervision. Performs routine aspects of engineering assignments requiring knowledge and application of basic engineering principles. Applies knowledge of engineering principles to prescribed techniques and procedure to complete project assignments. Key responsibilities. Engineering standards. Develop familiarity by reading, understanding and applying departmental design guides, standard system applicable engineering codes and Black and Veitch policies and the procedures. Quality or continuous improvement. Develop an understanding and complies with a Black and Veitch quality program. Supports continuous improvement and change management effort. Engineering production. Contributes to preparation of less complexity engineering deliverables such as drawing, reports, specifications, etc. Project coordination. Share information with other as requested. Coordinate with others when directed by supervisor or project leadership, etc. Minimum qualification. No experience required for this post. Required bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from either recognized accredited university. Preferred non-technical skills, learning on the fly, problem solving, intellectual horsepower, written communication, drive for results, informing, listening, dealing with ambiguity, etc. Preferred technical skills, basic knowledge of engineering design principles and applicable design guides and standards related to assigned engineering discipline, basic industry knowledge and technology credits, basic knowledge of company quality program, basic knowledge of construction and constructability practices and principles, etc. Role is mechanical engineer, water permanent. Functional area is engineering firm. Employment is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is ABB Hyderabad. R&D Associate Engineer at ABB Hyderabad. ABB Limited, formerly SI Brown Boveri, is a Swedish-Swiss multinational corporation headquartered in Switzerland. ABB operating mainly in robotics, power, heavy electrical equipment and automation technology areas. It is ranked 341st in the Fortune Global 500 list of 2018. Until the sale of its electricity division 2020, ABB was Switzerland's largest industrial employer. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 4 year. Job ID is IN77814912E2. Role is, this is a R&D Associate Engineer role, reporting to R&D Team Manager in Business Area Electrification, located in Hyderabad, and you will be responsible to work on business priority project of defined scope, apply concepts to issue, moderate to high complexity and resolve issues through immediate action or short-term planning, etc. Responsibilities. performing assigned tasks including definition, approach, analysis, review and implementation on schedule and within budget, performing life cycle assessment using modeling software like SIMA Pro, Gabi or others, documenting the technique output, interfacing with other engineering departments, test laboratories, manufacturing, quality, sourcing, research and suppliers as required, etc. Qualification and skill required: bachelor's degree in electrical or mechanical or chemical engineering or relevant science or higher, minimum 1 to 4 years of experience in R&D with exposure to product design and development, quality, value engineering, costing, preferably of electrical distribution and control procedures like ACB, MCCB, MCB, contactors, switches, etc. Proficiency in CAD tools like CREO, CATIA V5, Pro Engineer, etc. and PLM or ERP software. Knowledge of eco design, LCA, energy efficiency and other sustainability, etc. Role is R&D Associate Engineer. Function area is R&D. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through their website as shown on screen on or before 5th June 2021. Next is Vestas, Chennai. Engineer at Vestas, Chennai. Vestas Wind System is a Danish manufacturer, seller, installer and servicer of wind turbines that was founded in 1945. Vestas design, manufacture, installs and service wind turbine across the globe and more than 113 gigawatt of wind turbines in 81 countries. We have installed more wind power than anyone else and employs more than 25,000 people globally. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 2+ years. ID is 15267. Describe the department. Wind and site evaluation is a critical step in the wind power plant sales process for Vestas. This position has an important role in identifying and quantifying technical risk of wind power projects and generating and capturing value through innovative customized technical solutions. Responsibilities: perform wind and site statistical modeling and analysis including preservation of wind resource and site characteristics, develop wind turbine site layout and optimize turbine configuration based on conformance with standards, power production and construction considerations, etc. Verify wind turbine design life estimation via load calculation. Qualification is bachelor degree in engineering, bachelor degree in mechanical or aerospace engineering is desired. Minimum of 2+ years of experience in wind resource assessment, sales support, etc. Fluent and clear in written and spoken English. Competencies: critical thinking mindset, ability to work in a time sensitive situation and multitask in growing or deadline oriented environment, good organizational skills, ability to maintain comfortability, proven flexibility working in innovative and changing organization, work in a structured and systematic way and have consistent attention to detail enabling you to meet deadlines, etc. Role is engineer. Industry type is wind turbine. Functional area is production, manufacturing, maintenance. Employment type is full-time permanent. Interested candidates can see the detailed advertisement and can apply online through their website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for this week's employment news video. For the next early career job news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.